Assalamu alaikum aspirants. Imagine standing at the gateway to your dream career as a CSS officer, where one paper, the English essay, holds the power to unlock or barricade that path. With a staggering 97% failure rate in recent exams, mastering this challenge is not just about writing, it's about thinking like a leader who shapes Pakistan's future. Welcome aspiring tailblazers to CSS MPT 2026 essay, your roadmap to success. Today I will guide you through proven strategies from fundamentals to advanced trends, equipping you with the tools to not only pass but excel. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. So this lecture is your comprehensive roadmap to mastering the CSS MPT 2026 essay paper. We will break it down slide by slide, explaining every concept in detail so you can apply it directly to your preparation. By then, you will have the tools to craft essay that stand out to examiners. Remember, success here is not just about knowledge, it's about strategic thinking and clear communication. So let's get started. CSS essay paper fundamentals. Let's begin with the core fundamentals of the CSS essay paper. This paper is worth 100 marks, which is a significant portion of your overall CSS score, testing your ability to articulate complex ideas in English. You have exactly 3 hours to complete it, so time management is crucial, more on that later. You will choose one topic out of typically 10 options provided in the exams based on recent patterns. Around 8 of these are argumentative, where you build a case with evidence and counterpoints, and 2 are analytical, requiring you to dissect issues like policies or trends without taking a strong side. For example, an argumentative topic might ask you to debate a role in diplomacy, so while an analytical one could involve breaking down climate impacts on foreign policy. Now, the passing rate, according to FPSC 2025 statistics, the overall written exam pass rate was only 2.77%, with just 354 out of 12,792 candidates succeeding, while essay specific rates are not broken out. Experts note that the essay paper is a major hurdle, often where candidates fail due to poor structure or relevance. So, this low rate underscores the need for targeted preparation. Don't underestimate it. Why essays fail? Examiners seek policymakers. Many aspirants wonder why their essay don't score well. Let's dissect the reasons point by point. First, examiners are looking for future policymakers, not rote learners. So this means your essay should demonstrate critical thinking, like proposing solutions to real-world problems rather than memorizing facts. For example, if discussing Pakistan foreign policy, don't just list events, analyze their implications for national strategy. Second, logical arguments required. Logical arguments are required, without them your essay falls flat. So this involves building a chain of reasoning. Start with a claim, support it with evidence, and address potential flaws. Weak logic, like jumping between unrelated ideas, can cost you dearly. Third, clarity above all. Examiners read hundreds of papers, so use simple, direct language. Avoid jargon unless explained, and ensure every sentence advances your point. Poor clarity often stems from convoluted sentences or ambiguous terms. Finally, balanced analysis. Balanced analysis is key. One-sided views shows bias. Instead, present pros, cons, and nuanced conclusion. For example, in a topic on climate policy, discuss benefits for Pakistan while acknowledging economic cost, and ignoring balance can make your essay seem immature. FPSC 2026 word limits. Word limits are critical for 2026 as they ensure your essay is focused. The recommended target is 2,500 3,000 words based on FPSC evaluation criteria. Aim for this to demonstrate depth without verbosity. So going below 2,000 words risk appearing underdeveloped, potentially leading to low scores or even failure in extreme cases, as it suggests insufficient analysis. On the other hand, exceeding 4,000 words can result in deduction for lack of conciseness, as examiners value precision. Always count words during practice. Use tools like word processors for accuracy. Remember, quality trumps quantity. Every word should serve your thesis. Next, essay structure is equal to 80% marks. Structure is not optional. It accounts for about 80% of your marks per evaluation guidelines. So let's break it down. The introduction is 10% of your essay. Around 250 or 300 words. Start with a hook like a quote or statistics. Provide context to set the stage and end with a clear thesis statement outlining your main argument. So this grab attention and maps your essay. Second, a body paragraph. Make up 70% about 1750 or 2100 words. So here you develop arguments with evidence, examples and analysis. Divide into 12 to 15 paragraphs and each focusing on one idea, using subheadings for clarity if needed. The conclusion is 20%, 500 to 600 words adjusted from guidelines for emphasis. So provide a strategic closure by summarizing key points, restating the thesis in light of your arguments and suggesting forward-looking recommendations. A weak conclusion leaves examiners unimpressed. Make it memorable. Peel body paragraph method. So to make your body paragraphs effective, use the peel method. It's a proven framework for logical writing. First, the point. State your main idea clearly in the opening sentence, like Pakistan SEO engagement enhance regional security. Next, evidences. Back it up with facts, such as Pakistan assumed chairmanship of SEO raids in 2025-2026, fostering anti-terror cooperation. Use reliable sources to avoid outdated information. Next, expansion. Then expansions dive deeper, explain why this evidence matters. For example, this role position Pakistan as a key player in countering threats like TTP, promoting stability. And finally, link. Connect back to your thesis or the next paragraph. For example, this multilateral approach complements bilateral ties, leading to broader economic opportunities. So practice peel on sample topics to build flow. Scoring breakdown. So let's explain the scoring breakdown in detail. Content and relevance typically get 40%. This rewards deep, accurate knowledge tied to the topic. Structure is 20%. As we discussed, a clear intro body conclusion setup is essential. Grammar and vocabulary 15%. Use varied but precise language. Errors deduct points. And originality 15%. Avoid clashes. Show unique insights. And coherence 10%. Ensure smooth transitions and study these to target weaknesses. Fatal essay mistakes. Avoid these pitfalls. They are fatal to your score. No outline planning. Spend 15 to 20 minutes brainstorming. Without it, your essay lacks direction. Then one-sided arguments. Always include counter views for balance. Outdated information. Use current facts like CPEC $25 billion completely projects by 2025, not old estimates. And time mismanagement issues. Rushing leads to incomplete sections. And fact overload. Don't jump data. Integrate it meaningfully to support analysis. And fact overload. So don't dump data. इंटीग्रेट इट मीनिंगफुली टू सपोर्ट एनालिसिस. सो अब हम बात करते हैं CSS 2026 ऐसे ट्रेंड्स की. फॉर 2026 ट्रेंड्स रिफ्लेक्ट ग्लोबल शिफ्ट्स. AI इन डिप्लोमेसी. डिस्कस एथिक्स लाइक AI रोल इन नेगोशिएशन वर्सेस ह्यूमन जजमेंट एंड क्लाइमेट ड्राइवन फॉरेन पॉलिसी, वाटर डिस्प्यूट्स, ग्रीन पार्टनरशिप. Analyze how environmental changes influence alliances. For example, Pakistan vulnerability to floods. Then Pakistan in the Global South. Explore its position in groups like BRICS or OIC with targets like increasing intra-OIC trade shares. So and stay updated by news for relevance. Sample foreign policy outline हम यहाँ पर देख लेते हैं. So a detailed sample outline for foreign policy essay. First introduction, hook and thesis, then historical context, post-independence alignments like Cold War ties, currency policy pillars, economic diplomacy priorities, multilateral engagements, SEO, BRICS, OIC partnership, contemporary challenges like security and economic constraints, opportunities and reforms, green CPEC, digital diplomacy, and strategic conclusion policy recommendations. Crafting a compelling introduction. A strong intro sets the tone. Hook. Use Quaid-e-Azam quote on unity for inspiration, like think 100 times before you take a decision, but once the decision is taken, stand by it as one man. Then statistical context. CPEC plan $62 to $65 billion investment by 2025 with $25 billion completed, transforming infrastructure. thesis, economy first, foreign policy, recalibration needed. Argue for recalibrating economy and foreign policy to leverage this. Then sample body development. So build the body with layers, Cold War alignment and US partnership to 2025 SCO chairmanship, then CPEC transformation, 10 GW energy capacity, Gwadar operational hub, US relations complexity, aid dependency versus sanction cycle, and regional challenges like Kashmir deadlock and TTP resurgence. Multilateral partnership matrix details partnerships 2025 SCO summit, Pakistan rates chairmanship boost cooperation, then 10 billion OIC trade target aligns with intra OIC goals through specific to bilateral like Iran, Pakistan, and focus on economic integration. And observer role in de-dollarization position Pakistan in global shifts. Strategic challenges analysis. Analyze challenges deeply. Debt servicing crisis, high repayments strain economy, and security deterioration, rising threats like TTP, civilian military tensions, impact policy coherence, and suggest reforms. Examination time strategy 30 minutes for outline and intro, brainstorm key points, then 2 hours for body, develop paragraphs, and 30 minutes for conclusion and revision. Then check coherence and word count. Your essay is your voice. Offer balanced perspective, wrote in current context like 2025 geopolitics, and aim for 60 plus marks through practice. So as we wrap up this roadmap, remember, our Taylor CSS essay is not born from rote memorization but from structured thinking, balanced analysis, and your unique voice echoing current realities. You have now got the blueprint, field paragraphs, time strategies, and trend insights to target those 60 plus marks and beyond. Go forth, practice relentlessly, and turn your words into the force that propels you into public services. Thank you for joining me. Keep pushing. Future leaders, Pakistan needs you. Until next time, stay inspired and write boldly.